Bruxism is a habit where you clench and grind your teeth, usually uncontrollably, and that can cause many damages to your teeth. If we clench and grind uncontrollably, that can cause unnecessary tooth wear, it can cause cracks and fractures, and it can cause teeth and fillings to break. And some ways to prevent that would be things like wearing a night guard at night, stress reduction protocols, or trying to change our lifestyle to hopefully make it less stressful. And for severe cases, we actually do neuromodulator therapy, which is having Botox injected into the jaw muscle to help it relax. So teeth grinding at night is something that can be prevented through different modalities. One would be wearing a night guard, which is a dental appliance that we fit over the top of the teeth, and that's custom to your teeth, and prevents the wear and the damaging effects on the teeth. Another way that dentists help prevent clenching and grinding at night is neuromodulator therapy, also known as Botox or Dysport, and that gets placed into the jaw muscle and it involuntarily relaxes the muscle so that you can't apply those damaging forces to your teeth. Some of the signs and symptoms of teeth grinding can include sore jaw, sore jaw muscles. Intraorally or inside the mouth, what we look for is typically signs of wear on the teeth, such as flattening of the teeth. We look for cracks and typically a history of teeth and fillings chipping or breaking. And those are typically what we look for. A night guard is a dental appliance that is custom made for you specifically from your dentist. And typically what it is that fits over the biting surfaces of your teeth, and it prevents the damaging effects of clenching and grinding. So instead of the damaging happening to your teeth, you have the night guard there to protect it. Another benefit of the night guard is that it also acts as a retainer. And so if you know that you're clenching and grinding your teeth, or you've had any sort of orthodontic work done, that night guard can help hold your teeth into position as well.